how to make Brainy Bites!
Spinach and Feta Dino Puffs.
To make these yummy snacks, you'll need 100 grams of feta, 1 egg, some cooked spinach, puff pastry,
Dino-shaped cookie cutters,
3/4 of a cup of yogurt, cucumber, dill, and a grown-up to help.
Let's do it!
Grab a bowl, add the spinach, feta, and egg, and mix it all together. Time to cut out the dinosaur shapes. 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom. 2, 4, 6. And fill them. 1, 2, 3. Pop the tops on and pinch the edges. 3, 2, 1. Egg wash them and bake on medium heat for 15 minutes. How long is that? 15 minutes is when the minute hand goes 1/4 of the way around the clock. Like from here to here. Time to make the yogurt dip. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of yogurt, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Add some chopped cucumber, a handful of dill, and mix it all up. Serve this delicious yogurt dip with your prehistoric dino puffs.
Spinach and Feta Dino Puffs.
Delish!
Raw!